kizonga tata mbemba mama. Yambula ngenda kizonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina besi kinzasa mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakalasi mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakalasi mama. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Tata mbembe mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya. Yambula ngenda kizonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina besi kinzasa mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya. Yambula ngenda kizonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Tata mbemba kizonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakalasi mama. Yambula ngenda kizonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama. Yambula ngende Yambula ngende mama. Tata mbembe mama.
Kiambote, vamos kututala una tutondele. Hello, welcome. Thank you for being there. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdoms. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. Thank you very much, Tata Alain. Enengwa tariwa. Tutondele. Kiambote, Tata Alain.
Kiambote Tata Panzu. My mic was muted, sorry.
Yeah. Kiambote, Tata Alain.
Kiambote Tata Panzu.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta. Tunama vimpi. Yeyeno, eh?
Ezope tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Kiambote nengwa tariwa.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tunama vimpi. Yeyenwe.
Ezope tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Well done, yes. At least I know for sure we can greet in Kikongo. That's good. Then we can say bye. When the Gambote, Sarah Gambote. Okay, let me share my. We're going to learn. I think you both miss it. We were not here. In the past, we learned about human body. Let me see if I can share my phone. Yes, we're expecting Tata David to be here soon. Fingers crossed. Yes. I'm sure you can see my screen, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not going to read. I'm going to test you now. Try to read. Don't just read. Then go tell you.
Need to human body.
Yeah,
to head.
Two.
Two.
Two. Make sure you got your nose. Two. Can you try it again, please? Two. Then go tell you.
Two.
Yeah, well done. Talent. Tingu.
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 Yeah. Oh, welcome, Tata David.
Zambote.
Kiambote.
Can you see my screen, Tata David?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Try to read Ntu. This one, the Ntu. Tingu.
Tingu.
Yeah, well done. Kikongo means the tonal language, very hard, you know. When I say Nsanda, Tanda, can you spot? Can you there's a difference? Very subtle. Tanda, Nsanda, Tanda, Nsanda. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Nengotariwa Mbunzu.
Mbunzu.
Well done. Tata Ale Kosi.
Kosi.
Well done. Let us. All this material is on my website. There's a link there. I did share Google Drive. Yes. Tata David Tsuki.
Suki.
Suki. Well done. Nengotariwa Mbombo.
Mbombo. Mbombo.
Here you take off, then you land here. See the accent, yeah? Mbombo.
Mbombo.
Same thing you go say Nzunu. Then spot the difference now, Tata. We have Mbombo nasal, initial nasal, leading nasal, yes? Here there's no nasal. Tata, bombo.
Bombo.
Yes. Bombo, bombo. Tata David, Zulu.
Zulu.
Singular. Then Tata, Mazunu.
Mazunu.
Mazunu. M-A, usually plural. Kikongo. Tata David.
Noir.
Well done. Noir. Yes. Okay, let me try to. This is Kikongo. Lips are from here to here. From here to here. Oh, this was a before. Then what I do? Before.
Befo.
Before. Thank you. Kutu. Tata Allen, please.
Kutu.
Kutu, then we have a plural here. No, sorry. Kutu, then we have matu. Tata David, matu.
Matu.
Thank you, matu. Then what I do? Try, don't worry. Be brave. Well done, disu. Yeah, disu. Then Tata, be careful this long vowel. See the accent, this accent? Circumflex in French.
Meso.
Well done, meso, yes. Tata David. Dino.
Dinu. Dinu for tooth. Meno for teeth.
Well done, man, a long vowel. Thank you. Then what are you? Kongoni.
Kongon.
Tata and Tulu.
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 I can't hear, sorry.
Tulu.
Tulu, yeah, Tulu. If you remove the nasal, if you remove N, it becomes Tulu. Tulu means, I was about to say in Portuguese, it means sleep, yes? Sleep.
Tulu means sleep.
Tulu. Tata David, you got the long vowel.
Coco.
Well done. Then plural.
Moco.
Yes, well done. Then what are you, all right? See? More.
Yes, I'm right.
Coco, yes. Then what are you? Long vowel.
Lembo.
Well done. Tata Allen. Tata Allen, can you? What's happened to Tata Allen? Tata Allen, are you there? Frozen. Oh, it's using his mobile.
Yeah, the image is frozen.
Tata David.
Yeah, Luzala. And Zala.
Yes. We have singular plural. Oh, it's gone.
Right, but no long vowel this time for.
No. Yeah. Then what I do a long vowel, be careful. See the accent?
Yes. Kulu.
Yes. Plural.
Malu.
Yes, well done. See the link here, you got leg Kulu, then you got your knee Kungulu. Tata David.
Kungulu.
Then you have a plural.
And Makungulu.
Yes, Makungulu. Then what I do?
Singinu. Singinu, sorry.
Yeah, singing, yes. Mm. Tata David.
and Tumbi.
Tambi.
For
Tambi,
foot or
yes.
feet.
Tambi.
Can you go back to the previous one for just a moment, Tata Mpanzu?
This one.
Yeah, I'm just a little confused about why sometimes this, in other words, it might be Mangulu instead of Makungulu, but for Ni we keep the Kungu or Kungulu. Is there any rule to that, or just some words can compress them and some words don't?
I don't think there's a specific rule. Kungulu. Here, this is somewhere just to put MA as plural. Makungulu. Did I answer your question?
No,
Can you say it again? Do you have an example?
Yeah, if we go back one or two, let's see. Yeah, it's not Makulu, it's just Malu. For legs.
Okay, I see what you
That's what I mean.
Okay, see. Okay, see. Okay, I got you. Kulu. Okay. Okay, Malu. Okay, this is Congo. Okay, I can explain it. Kungulu, Makungu. I got you. This is a irregular form, I would say. Let's say, yeah, regular form. If I move back, can I find? Yeah, we got Coco, not Makoko, we got Moko, yeah. Irregular form. I say irregular form as it's not rare. I mean, 50-50.
Huh. So we just have to do
irregular form, but sorry.
We just have to do a lot of memorization, right?
Yeah. Kulumalu. Kungulu. This is a regular form of Kungulu. Singing, okay. We're here. Tambi. Foot, be careful. Tambi. Foot, be careful. Keep watching. Lutambi. This is a bit confusing. Tambi. Your foot. Even many feet. Footprint. Lutambi. Footprints. Many. Tambi. Confused. Yeah. Then what can you read this one? Tambi.
Tambi.
Well done. Tata David.
Lutambi.
Then
Lutambi for
footprint. Yes. Let us go to the usual lesson. Tata one is gone. I mean, he's not using a computer, he's using the phone, mobile phone. He's not home.
So he's still with us, just on the phone, yeah?
I'll try to share this one. Sorry, Tata David, I didn't get that. Sorry, did you say?
Oh, yeah, I just was hoping Brother Alan is still with us, just on the phone.
Yeah. Oh, he's there. He's trying to. He's there. Let's see if I can bring him. Hello, Tata.
Sorry, guys.
Okay. We lost you. Okay. Okay. So we have to go back to that day because we missed a lot. Otherwise, we would have missed a lot. Okay, you alone now, Tata Alain.
Okay.
This is very important to understand. Let me see. Share it.
Yeah, I am on my phone, so I apologize for the. I'm usually on my computer, so my phone is acting a little weird.
No worries. Where am I? I'm sharing the wrong one. Okay, give me 1 minute. Where's my... This is. If you are watching us, we thank you very much. Bear with us. Technology sometimes these things happen. Okay, I got the right one. Okay, let me just go back to Tatale. All yours, yeah. Tatale.
Okay. Ntu,
Yes.
head. Nsingu.
Tingu.
Oh,
Tingu. Tingu.
Tingu.
Well done. Tingu. Tingu. No longer Tingu. Tingu. But you got the nasal. Tingu, yeah. You shoot here, you take off, then you land here.
Okay.
Carry on, Tatale.
Mbunzu.
Mbunzu. No longer Mbunzu.
Mbunzu.
Yes.
Kosi.
Yes. You have this file on our website. Tuki.
Suki. Bombo. Bombo.
Yeah, Bombo. Yes.
Zunu. Mazunu.
Mazunu. Yeah. So we're stopping there. You can check the file on our website, Tatale. Yeah?
Sure, yeah.
Let me move quickly to any question, Tata David? Where are we? Let's move to the main lesson, our usual lesson. Bombo. Okay, question now. This is a test for you. Mbombo. What is Mbombo? Mbombo.
No.
We have Bombo and Mbombo. What is Mbombo?
The nose.
Mbombo is.
Is it nose or?
Yeah, you're right. What is Kulu?
Leg.
Kulu. Leg, yeah. Coco.
Is that hand?
Yes. Moko. What's that?
Foot.
Moko. Coco, one. Moko, many.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I lost my. I can't find it now. Let me just use my. To use my PDF file is easy. Where is it? Yes. Can't find my usual one. Too late now. I'm sure you can see my file, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Make it bigger. Yes, quickly. This is a new lesson. Let me see. Okay, object concord third person singular. NG. Nga. Yes. Tatale, please.
Ekuma nki zolelevo yansadisa. Yansadisa? Why do you want me to help him or her? Nkuma kadi diafumu wansadisa.
Don't worry about the English, Tatale. Thank you.
Okay.
Let me try to read it. Ekumanki zolele. Can you see my mouse? Yeah. Can you see my moving? Yeah. Remember long vowel, Tatale. Ekumanki zolele vo yansadisa. Ekumakadi diamfunu vo wansadisa. This is very good Kikongo. Tata Davide.
Okay. Same one?
This is new, I think. This is
Okay. Ekuma nkizo lele vo yam vivila. Yam vivila. Ekuma kadi jam fumu vo yam vivila.
Ekumakadi mfunu vo wa vivila. Titondele. Nengwatadiwa.
Enkumanki zolelevo. Yantala.
Nantala.
Yantala. Ekumakadi dia mfumu vo wantala.
Ekumakadi mfunu vo wantala. I think we're stopping there. We're going to carry on next Sunday because this is hard. I mean, heavy. Any questions, Tata?
No questions. Just
Ekumanki, because in terms of grammar, this is very, very, very good. It's not easy. Very good grammar. Ekumanki. Kuma. Remember, just a prefix, but the root word is kuma. Kuma can be why, or the cause, the reason why. Kuma. Nki. Nki means what? Ekumanki zolelevo yantala. Ekumakadi. I'm trying to good translation here. Of course, I'm not a linguist, but I'm trying to break it down, make it easy to understand. Ekumanki zolelevo. What's the reason? Ki means what? Ekumakadi. 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 Because kadi means ekumakadi. Because it's necessary, yes. Because here there's no translation. It is translated to kuma. Ekumakadi, of course, because. Yeah, we're done for today. Any questions, Ellen?
No questions.
Okay, no worries. Next Sunday we carry on. Tuto ndele. Renda Kiambote.
Nusana Kiambote.
Tuto ndele.